Hello, my name is Julie Setele, and I am presenting on information visualization. I will provide an overview of the topic and its history, and then examine 5 ways that libraries make use of information visualization. I will close with some suggestions for further reading as well as references. I encourage you to pause the video at any time. According to Kelly, information visualization refers to, quote, the graphical representation of data, unquote. Other terms for this concept include data visualization and infographics. Common tools used to create this type of resource include spreadsheet or database software, such as Excel, online infographic programs like Canva, and at the more robust end of the spectrum, we have data visualization software such as Tableau, which comes up quite often in the library literature on this topic. When we think about information visualization, we often think about visualizations that were developed digitally, using computer technology. The history of information visualization actually extends much farther into the past, as the timeline presented here shows. One addition that I have made to Bailey and Pregil's timeline is the work of W.E.B. Du Bois and his team, who created handcrafted visualizations about the Black experience in the U.S. for the Paris World Fair in 1900. A book about Du Bois's work can be found in the Learn More section of this presentation. The other name I'll note is Edward Tufte. He can also be found in the Learn More section. Kelly identifies 5 ways that libraries are making use of information visualization. I will discuss each of these in turn. One way that libraries use visualization tools is to assess usage of the library and the services it provides. As shown in Figure 1, the New York University libraries use data visualization about when users are most active in the library to inform data-driven decisions about staffing and workflow. As indicated in Figure 2, the Ohio State University libraries have translated OCLC's Easy Proxy data to create an interactive dashboard highlighting off-campus usage of the collection. A frequent way that libraries are using visualization techniques is as a collection development tool. You will see several slides on this particular application. Visualizations can provide snapshots of a collection, effectively communicating a large amount of metadata in a way that is understandable by humans. Figure 3 shows a set of visualizations created by academic subject librarians for the purpose of raising awareness about a special collection. Additional entry points into the collection were provided by displaying these images on the library homepage. Ideally, such images would be interactive and updated in real time. Here are additional examples of visualizations for collection development purposes. Figure 4 shows a tree map created of the authors who are included in the Valente Italian Library collection. The size of each box and its color gradation reflects how frequently each author is represented in the collection, with the exception of Dante. Figure 5 shows another way that subject librarians can use information visualizations, in this case showing how many monographs and media the collection has in each of 3 Library of Congress subject headings, as well as checkout trends for those subject headings. The last example of this application comes from the Louisiana Digital Library, which uses an open data model, allowing users to download its collection's metadata and use them for research purposes. Figure 6 shows the download option on the search results page. Figure 7 shows the resulting CSV file opened in a spreadsheet application. And Figure 8 shows a map generated in Google Maps from the downloaded metadata. Visualizations can also be used to create innovative searching and browsing interfaces that emphasize the relationships between resources. Figure 9 on the left and top shows a variety of such interfaces that Salaba and Mercune tested for usability. The authors found that the most preferred design was the indented tree, followed by sunburst. Figure 10 depicts an effort at Middle Tennessee State University to make its digital research collection more visible and enticing by using image thumbnails and search results clustering. Miller found that users spent more time on the library's website if they entered the site directly onto a data visualization than if they entered onto an essay. Many academic libraries offer instruction and visualization tools and techniques, either as one-off sessions or as a credit-earning course. Figure 11 shows a data dashboard that was created by librarians for a nursing course. By gathering the data together in advance, the librarians were able to focus their class time on demonstrating visualization tools and techniques. Finally, libraries can use visualizations as an advocacy tool by which to educate the public, lawmakers, and other stakeholders about library services and community needs. Figure 12 is an infographic created by the American Library Association to commemorate National Library Week and National Banned Books Week and spark discussions about censorship. Figure 13 is taken from another very text-heavy infographic that the ALA created to highlight the books that were most frequently challenged in 2020. If you would like to learn more about this topic, I suggest the resources here. The Magnuson book is highlighted because of its focus on libraries. Thank you very much for your attention.